You're into hand dryers. They have Mitsubishi.
I'm not into it.
Yeah. You know Mitsubishi.
Ooh, they dry your hands. Ooh.
Sure. You don't like open it super fast.
I get a picture. Dude, what the fuck are we doing?
That's the use.
I hear people.
That's the thing.
I hear people on this thing though. Where is it?
It doesn't load. Yeah, it's open. It's loading up.
Oh, you want to
Let's get it.
Yeah, you want to go get it?
Yeah, they're not gonna care.
There's a patch.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's not being used in the loading dock.
Yeah, they're not gonna care. This one used to only show R. They fixed it, I guess.
Oh, is it broken? Look, look, look. Oh, the thing was like shifted open. Nice one. Watch the outer door. Watch the right side, see if it does it again. Is that what's preventing it from moving? Let's see. Nope, we're good.
Oh my god, this one's like going super fast.
A lot better than the other one. I guess, yeah.
Oh my god, I don't trust this. This is super smooth though, man. No,
Yeah.
no, no, don't do it. Don't do it on this one. No, I don't trust it. Don't do it.
Alright, whatever.
If I'm already getting scared on this one, I'm actually no strong one.
I'm gonna take it back down to LD and then... get ended on like R3 or something. So you don't have to go back out through management. This thing has a nice ass motor. I'm gonna trick it at the dock. Let's do it while it's leveling.
I wouldn't, honestly.
We'll be fine.
Yeah, okay, I think we're done with that. You did R3, not R4.
Yeah, I know. I just don't want to go back through management because the management office is like right
It
there.
was closed, but yeah.
Jesus Christ.
So that's it. Excel. He's the worst company ever.
You want to close it up?
Should I close it?
Hold up, wait, let me.